Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in university engineering step by step. To begin, thoroughly understand your course syllabus and learning objectives. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what is expected. Make sure to attend all lectures and tutorials. These are crucial for grasping core concepts. Forming study groups with peers can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss complex problems and share diverse insights, which strengthens your overall comprehension. Next, embrace active learning. Don't just read, actively solve problems every day. Work through at least 5 to 10 example problems from your textbooks and past papers to solidify your understanding. If you encounter difficulties, do not hesitate to seek clarification. Your professors and teaching assistants are valuable resources ready to help you navigate challenging engineering concepts and ensure you grasp the material fully. Effective time management is paramount for engineering success. Create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific blocks of at least 2 to 3 hours for each subject and task. Stick to this schedule consistently to build good habits. Prioritize your most challenging topics, dedicating extra time to master them. This structured approach helps you manage your workload efficiently and prevents last-minute cramming, ensuring steady progress. Finally, prepare for exams strategically while prioritizing your well-being. Review all course material thoroughly, summarizing key concepts into concise notes. Practice solving problems under timed conditions, perhaps for 60 to 90 minutes, to simulate the actual exam environment. Crucially, ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet. These habits are vital for optimal cognitive function and peak performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.